What's up guys? I'm going to show you 3 really sexy body isolations that you can use basically anywhere where you want to really show your sexuality and masculinity to a whole nother level. First isolation would be hip isolations. Hips is all about the sex. This is where it happens, okay? This is where all the action is. So what we want to focus on when we train our hip isolations is hitting the 4 corners of our hips, okay? When you throw in a little bit of hip isolation in there, it kind of makes the basic overall appearance of your dance look a lot more sexual because you're bringing that hip movement into it, okay? So hip isolations are really great. Now, second type of isolation I highly recommend you get on is chest isolations. From the chest, it's really important for men to learn these ones because the chest shows the power, yeah? From your chest comes that real dominance, that real alpha personality, that real masculinity. Hit to the side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, yeah? Or you can just step forward, boom, 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 ah, 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 yeah? So notice how you can use those shoulders as you're hitting those different shapes. These are isolations that you'll want to get above, yeah? Now, my third body part for really sexy body isolations would be shoulders. Shoulders is where we show the funk from, the groove. This is where we express ourselves to the beat. Now, a couple of useful exercises with learning shoulder isolations would be to keep your shoulders low, let them hang all the way down to begin with, and play with 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 different levels, low, medium, and high, okay? Tit, tit, ba, yeah? Low, medium, high, medium, low, medium, high. Try them with both shoulders at the same time.